Hey dolls, welcome to Nailed It. My name is Lizzie G, and today I'm going to show you how I do the military print on my nails. I'm going to use these three colors to put some base on my nails, and then I'm going to use acrylic paint for the actual design. And I'm going to show you here the really old. These two brands are the cheapest, and they're really good. And you can find these at Walmart. Okay, so I'm gonna use this one from Pure Ice, which is, let me see, Top It Off, Taupe It Off, the 1394. This is a really nude brown. And I'm gonna use this one as a base for the actual design. Okay, now for my pinky, I'm going to use this dark brown, which is the number 1089 from Essie. Okay, and now for the other two nails left, I'm going to use this one from Bongo. This is a really old brand. You can get a military green everywhere now, so this is a military green. Alright dolls, now that you have your base completely dry, this is really important, it has to be completely dry so you can draw with acrylic paint. If you don't do that, it's going to make a mess. So we're going to use either a dotting tool or a brush like this. And we're going to take these three colors that I have here from Apple Barrel and Folk Art. Now we're going to take the first color. I'm going to start with a dotting tool first, like the little tiny part. And I'm going to take the army green first. And I'm going to start just placing this color, making kind of like wiggly shape. I don't know how to describe this, but you will get the idea just looking. This is really easy for beginners. I've been seeing this everywhere. Clothing, bags, accessories. This is actually like really out there everywhere. Now I'm taking the last color that I have in my little palette and drag it in. Alright, now that I have that, I'm going to do the same with the other nail. Alright dolls, this is the end result. It's not completely dry yet, but I use a matte top coat to just give it a little matte finish, because I think this particular design looks better with matte. but you can use a regular glossy top coat. Thank you very much for being here. I hope you guys like this design. Welcome to the new ones, and I see you on the next one. And for now, I send you all a big, big, big kiss. Mwah!